Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging India, and I'm here on the show floor with Olaf from IBL, and we're going to talk about some of the new Vapour Phase technology and then a little bit about the machine which is behind us. So, Olaf, tell us first of all what are the new trends within Vapour Phase?
The trends nowadays go in direction having a vacuum chamber inside of the oven itself, because most of the customers, especially in the aerospace industry, they need very high quality soldering. And already inside of the vapor oven, it is very good, you get a very good results, but the vacuum chamber can reduce the amount of voiding down to 1%. And the aerospace needs the highest quality, so they come to us.
Yeah, and I guess the military and the medical people are pretty much in the same area.
Exactly.
And are those results able to happen in an inline machine as well as the standard Vapour Phase, which is like an offline machine?
In the IBL machines, we offer standalone machines or inline machines, including a vacuum chamber which can be activated or not activated. So a customer having a vacuum chamber, he can switch it on or switch it off.
Okay, so you have the flexibility depending on the products that they're making. Yeah?
Correct. Because we introduced vacuum chamber already back in 2001, so we are actually the first ones on the market.
Yeah.
And we have a patented system of so-called in-vapor vacuum. So the vacuum chamber is in the vapor blanket, having the same temperature as the assembly. We don't lose any temperature on the assembly itself.
Ah, that's a neat trick, because that was going to be my next question, but I don't need to ask it now. So let's just leap ahead to we're standing in front of a machine. Tell us a little bit about what we have here.
Okay, well, this is a batch machine, the smallest batch machine, which has the so-called soft vapor phase technology. We call it soft vapor phase because we can move within the vapor blanket to different heights. Because obviously the energy transfer, being closer to the vapor or to the fluid, is much faster compared to the higher level. This way you can very nicely and easily set up a profile for complex boards with high volume component and a small volume component. Yes.
And putting it in flat is obviously easier on the components, because the traditional ones that are sideways up, you always worry that things are going to slide a little. Yeah?
This will not happen in the machine.
Yeah,
no.
So it's a good technology. And how is the India market for you?
Indian market is very interesting for us. We've started working together with a distributor, Kyoritsu, about 5 years ago. In the meantime, we have placed a couple of machines. Most of them are in the aerospace industry, because they request the very high quality in end effect, and it's slowly also moving to other areas of automotive industry, power electronics. Yeah, so we really see a big potential in the Indian market.
Yeah, because as the components get smaller, then thermal issues become bigger and bigger, and we all know that voids in air don't conduct electricity, they don't conduct heat. So they're not really very good.
Correct.
Okay, then thank you very much for sharing with us.
Thank you for coming on.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
You too. Thank you very much.
That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing off.
It was a pleasure to meet our existing clients and prospective clients at Matt Dispense. Thank you for visiting our stand. Should you require any additional information, please feel free to email indiasales@chasecorp.com.